So you're introducing this hybrid tube into the market here at COMPAMED in 2025. Can you tell me a bit about it?
Yes. This is Junkosha's hybrid tubing. It's frequently used as an endoscopic working channel. It is actually comprised of a PTFE liner and then an EPTFE outer. What's unique about it is that there's no opportunities for delamination because there's no chemical etch, but it provides a lubricious inner liner so that it actually is great in that application specifically.
Can you tell me about the process to create it?
It's an actual co-extrusion process where there's a PTFE is extruded, and then the co-extrusion of the EPTFE outer layer takes place, and it's actually bonded without having any sort of chemical etch on the process. It's a very unique process that nobody else is actually manufacturing at this time.
And what does this development say about where Junkosha is in its journey as a company?
This is a product that's actually been on the market for over 10 years, but it's actually just being introduced because of certain, restrictions.
So we're looking at customers' unmet needs, and this is something that we think will enable our customers to meet their unmet needs and their challenges, and we just want to understand how the hybrid tubing can push their product forward.
One of the things that you'll notice about this material is that it can actually go into quite a tight loop without actually having any sort of kinking taking place. It's a very flexible material. You can modify the density of the EPTFE to the outside, either enhancing its density or actually loosening it up, so that it'll allow for additional things to be done, like additional jacketing needs to be put on it, or even braiding and jacketing, for example.
Are there any other uses for this?
Well, we think that it gets people's wheels turning once they actually see it, because it actually provides a lot of flexibility. It maintains patency on the ID of the tube. So in essence, with additional value-added processes, you could probably turn this into a full-fledged jacket or a full-fledged catheter application, perhaps in the structural heart arena. There's other things that you can kind of do with it. And once people see how flexible it is and how multi-purpose it is, it's actually something that's just a very unique product, and we like to kind of introduce it to people because they can start to see additional benefits out of it other than it's just intended use as a working channel for the endoscopy business.
Thank you very much for your time.